When a charge of 4.8 coulombs is placed 0.20 meters away from another charge, the electric force between the two charges is 8.2 times 10 to the 4th newtons. What is the value of the second charge? Do they attract or do they repel? To be honest, I can answer this question before I actually get to the before I actually start doing the mathematics, and I can tell because what is the sign in front of my force here? It's a positive sign, and that means that either I have two positive charges or two negative charges. If I had a positive and a negative, I would see a negative sign before the force. So I do know that they are the exact same charges, and like charges will repel. So my answer is going to be that they repel. Okay, here's Coulomb's constant, 8.99 times 10 to the 9. I do have a Q1 equals 4.8 coulombs. I have a distance which equals 0.20 meters, and I have a force electric equals 8.2 times 10 to the 4th newtons. The thing that I don't know about is Q2, and that's going to be in what units? Coulombs. And so now let us replace numbers for letters. 8.2 times 10 to the 4 equals 8.99 times 10 to the 9 times the charge that I have, 4.8 times, I don't know what Q2 is, so I'm just going to leave it as the variable, and all of that over 0.20, but here's the thing, I'm going to square it. Now let's simplify what I can simplify. I can't simplify the left just yet, so I'm just going to rewrite it, but I can simplify the numerator here, and that is 4.3152 times 10 to the 10 times Q2. I still don't know what Q2 is. Divided by, and when I simplify the bottom, I get 0.04. Now, to progress along, I want to get the number out of the numerator, so I multiply the right side by 0.04. These two cancel out. Whatever you do to the right, you have to do to the left. Now I can simplify the left-hand side and get 3280 equals this number, 4.3152 times 10 to the 10 times Q2. Now to get Q2 all by itself, I'll divide the right-hand side by this number so that they cancel. Whatever I do to the right, I have to do to the left. And when I put this in my calculator and solve, I get Q2 equals 7.60103.819 times 10 to the negative 8. And then for simplicity's sake, in class I would probably say 7.60 times 10 to the negative 8. And what units? Coulombs. Another way you could write it is 7.60 e negative 8. That's using the E notation, but it is also in coulombs.